The world is very busy now. People want to know everything in a short time. That's why YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok Reels are becoming popular daily. Today, if you want to go viral, the best way to make short videos, besides being popular, you can make huge money by making short videos. If you don't have any idea of making videos, don't worry. In this video, I will show how you can make videos with AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about video creation. Before that, you have to select a niche. Fashion, healthcare, comedy, stories, and facts are some of the most popular niches. Select any one as you wish. The video making process is nearly the same. But one thing you have to keep in mind, your storytelling should have a unique and engaging style. Look at this video.
Can you shed some light on the ancient city of Rome?
I've heard of it, but not sure about the details.
No worries, Samantha. The ancient city of Rome holds a rich history. Founded in 753 BCE, it evolved from a small village into a dominant empire.
How was this? You have to try something like this one. Okay, let's create a video like his one. First of all, we have to write a script. I will use ChatGPT to do this. After coming to ChatGPT, give a prompt like me. Hi, I am making some short videos. Can write some video script for me? The video should be on historical facts. I want to make the video as a Q&A, where a teacher will ask a question to a student, but the student can't answer it. Then the teacher will give the answer. There should be just one question from the teacher, one answer from the student, and one final answer from the teacher. After that, type for better understanding. I am giving an example. Then give an example of a script. I will put this prompt in the description box. You can use it or modify it. Okay, our script is ready. Now it's time to generate a voiceover. To generate voiceover, I will use Fliki AI to generate voice. It's a paid tool. If you don't want to buy a subscription, then you can watch this video from the I button. I will put the link in the description also. Okay, after coming to Fliki AI, click on Get Start for free and then create an account if you are first time in Fliki. After creating your account, you will be on this page. After coming to this page, click on New File from here. Next, you have to enter some data about your project. First, the file type. As we are creating an audio file, elect Audio Only from here. After that, the language and accents. I won't make any changes at this time. Next, give the name of your file, and in the end, select a topic from here. You can generate audio from any blog post or your idea. As we have a script already, select the empty file from here. After that, hit the Submit button. On this page, we have to enter the script in this box. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the script, and then paste it into the script box. You can notice our script is divided into 3 blocks. That's perfect. Now, in our script, there are 2 speakers. So, we need to select a voice actor for our speaker. The first scene is for the teacher. To change the voice actor, click on the voiceover actor's name from here. Now, listen to some voices from here, and then select one of them. I will select this one. Our third scene is also for the teacher. I will select the same voice actor for this scene. Now the second one. This one is for students. For this scene, I will select a child's voice. This girl's voice sounds good. Let's select this one. After selecting the voiceover, click on the play button from here to generate the voice.
Shed some light on the ancient city of Rome.
I've heard of it, but not sure about the details.
Alright, now you can download the whole voiceover by clicking the download button from here. But we need to download every scene audio individually. To do this, select the first scene, and then click on the download button from here. And our first audio is ready. Alright, our audio is ready. Now let's create the visuals. First, I will create 2 fictional characters. To do this, first, search for Adobe YouTube Animation. Now click on the first link. After coming to this page, click on the Create button. If you are new to Adobe, create an account and then click on the Create button. This is Adobe Animation from Audio Tool. First of all, select a character from here. I will select a girl character as the student character. After that, select a background from here. After selecting the background, select the size. As we are making short or reels, select the 9:16 ratio. After all is set, upload the student audio. click on the Browse button from here and then select the audio clip. After selecting the audio, it will automatically start generating the video. And here it is.
I've heard of it, but not sure about the details.
Click on the Download button to save the video. Now click on the Back button. In our script, our student character has only one scene, so we need to change the character. This time I will add a middle-aged man for the teacher character. After selecting the character, change the background. Don't need to change the video size. After that, upload the first teacher dialogue audio. After generating the video, download it, and in the same way, generate the third video. Okay, our character animation is ready. Now we will create some images and videos to use B-roll footage. Go back to ChatGPT and then copy the video topic. After that, ask for some image suggestions for that topic. As you can see, ChatGPT gives us some image suggestions. For generating images, I will use Leonardo AI. After coming to Leonardo AI, select the image generation tool. After that, select a fine-tune model according to your video genre. After that, enter the prompt. Just copy and paste image suggestions as the prompt. Don't forget to change the aspect ratio to 9:16. After all is set, hit the Generate button. And here are our images. That's perfect. Now I will generate videos with these images. Just select the best image and click on the Motion button from here. Leonardo will generate a 4-second long video for you. In this way, generate images and video as much as possible and download them on your device. Alright, our contents are ready. Now let's assemble them to make the final video. To do this, I will use ClipChamp Video Editor. After coming to the ClipChamp Video Editor, upload all the videos and images into the media bin. After that, insert the animation video on the timeline in ascending order. After that, insert the other images and videos as the B-roll footage. That's perfect. Now if you want to add captions to your video, click on the caption button from here and then hit Auto Caption. It may take some time to generate the captions. After that, you can customize the font, color, and size of the caption. Alright, our editing is completed. Now click on the Export button from here. You have to select the video resolution. 4K is only for the paid user. Select 1080p. It will take some time to render the video. Let's skip this part. And our video is ready. Click on the Save to your computer to download the video. Okay, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Can you shed some light on the ancient city of Rome?
I've heard of it, but not sure about the details.
No worries, Samantha. The ancient city of Rome holds a rich history. Founded in 753 BCE, it evolved from a small village into a dominant empire. Rome was the heart of one of the greatest civilizations, influencing art, architecture, governance, and much more. The Roman Republic and later the Roman Empire left an indelible mark. From the mighty Colosseum, where gladiators battled for glory, to the intricate engineering of aqueducts that brought water to the city, Rome was a hub of innovation.
In this method, you can generate interesting videos and gain very quick success. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating shorts videos using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!